You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, more pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned, including from Arabic, Islamic name, the fourth wife of the Islamic prophet Muhammad. In Arabic, the pronunciation is Hafsa. Hafsa. In English, it's more often pronounced as Hafsa. The meaning cub or young lioness, Hafsa or Hafsa. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.